Hello class, and welcome to day 3 of our unit study on characters and their traits. Today I hope you all came prepared and ready because your job is going to be to act as detectives. Do you know what a detective is? A detective is often someone who uses clues to solve a mystery. Today, your job is going to be to listen to 2 of the stories on our bookshelf. Any of the 2, you just pick. We have Harry the Dirty Dog, Clark the Shark, Enemy Pie, and The Tale of Two Beasts. You get to choose. Any 2. It does not matter. After you have listened to 2 of the following stories, you're going to go to our Nearpod class. As always, you're going to click and then click on the link, and you're going to input our class code. Once you get here, you're going to type in your name, Miss Eckhart. You're going to either click the arrow or join the session. And you're going to see this picture. Now, as you can see, there's no directions, there's no words. That's because today you're going to listen to the directions. That's why it's important that for today's lesson you come with your best listening ears. Let's listen to what you're going to do. Today's task. You have been assigned to become a detective. After you have listened to 2 out of the 4 stories in our virtual classroom, draw on this picture what your character looks like. You only have to pick one character to draw. Add lots of details and also use words or other pictures to describe the inside traits that your character has. After you've finished your drawing, on the next slide, you'll take some guesses as to what some of your classmates have drawn as characters. Good luck! So as you can see, you're going to use your tools down here to add pictures, words, drawings, you name it. Become a detective. After that, you're going to come over, well, it says, oops, this page looks blank. Please submit a drawing before going to the next slide. So you must submit a drawing. On the next page, let me add some hair or something. Oh, my character has hair. Your picture should be a lot more detailed than this. On the next page, you're going to guess that character. So you're going to guess a character that your classmate has drawn. After that, you'll come to our last page. Yay, you did it! Great job today. As always, you're going to exit out and come back to our virtual classroom. And then that's it for today. So you're going to listen to 2 stories and then complete the Nearpod activity.